crush.
Are you okay?
Sorry.
Will you come to my party at 6?
Sure. At 6? I need to get ready.
5 hours before party.
My eyebrows! Oh, what can help?
La 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 la. Huh? Depilatory cream.
This could have happened only to me.
Loser, wanna be cool? Oh. Huh. La 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 la.
Oh,
Grace posted a new photo.
let's check it. I need the same nails. Now which one to choose? Oh, for special occasions. Perfect.
4 hours before party.
I have to hurry. Oops. I need to dress up. Wow. What time is it? It's time for your makeup. Okay. Oh, wait. Huh? It doesn't match the dress. Yeah, you're right. I have to try them all. No. Perfect. Yeah, right. La la la. Oh, thank you for your help. That's why I'm your stylist, baby.
Have fun.
Lily, you're so beautiful.
Seriously? What's that?
3 hours 30 minutes before party.
I need a new outfit. Too bright. Whoa. Too basic. Is this even mine? I have nothing to wear. I know. That's it.
Lily's baby stuff.
Now, where's that dress? Oh, there it is. Oh, looks like I've grew up. Come on. Ouch. experts help me.
Contour is everything. Sorry.
Next.
Use pepper.
Are you serious? Next.
And take.
Oh, that's what I need.
Say yes, yes, yes to new adventures. Yes, yes, yes. You've got potential. Yes, yes, yes. Do everything, yeah.
Ooh, I like this makeup.
Lily, good makeup.
Thanks, Mom.
Go get groceries,
Mom, but I'm late for the party.
or you won't go anywhere.
Okay, Mom. Rude. A beauty salon. But I can't afford it. Take them out for groceries. No, you can't take them. Sorry, Mom. Thank you. Wow, everybody's gonna like it. Why did I went to the grocery store?
Honey, take this.
Oh, thank you. I'm saved. Mom,
Hey!
I got the groceries.
Good job.
Huh?
Lily, buy yourself a new dress.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Done. So quick? Oh.
Your dress.
Thanks. Oh, this is the one. Oh, I'll be the prettiest at the party. Oh.
My dress for Chris's party.
I need a new dress. Too long. Too short.
Oh,
I hope this is the last one.
Sorry.
Lily, my card is not endless.
But the dress is good.
2 hours before party.
I need to get my hair done. What should I do? Oh, it wasn't real either. Let's do this. I don't like it. It's not real. I really did it! Chris can't see me like this. What? Still purple? Why?
Ugh, Lily. It needs washing. Lily, where's your room always a mess?
Mom, not now. I'm late for the party.
Okay. My daughter's growing up.
Oh, really? Oh, what's wrong with this day? It's my dress for the party. Oh, it couldn't be worse. I hope the dress won't stain. Oh.
1 hour before party.
Chris!
Lily, you're late.
Lily, what happened? happened?
Mom, I screwed up.
I can help.
Huh? Mom, I'm scared.
Mommy knows best, baby.
Today I'm perfect and I know that I'm perfect and you forget. I'm perfect and I know that I'm perfect and you forget. Open up, give them a smile, your heart knows what to do. When your soul there is a style, you see me, I see you.
Done.
Wow, Mom, you're a fairy.
Ah, my girl. Oh, you will look like me on my prom. Ah,
Oh, I really do. Thank you, Mom. Bye.
Lily? Come on in.
Where's the party?
Tomorrow?
What?
Tomorrow, 6 p.m.
Tomorrow?
Wanna go on a date?
It was worth it. I'm sure.
Yeah. Let me get ready.
Okay. This will take time.
I'm ready.
Oh, so fast.
Yeah.
Huh?
Woohoo!
Oh, he's so cool.
What's up?
He's coming. I better get ready. A little touch-up will do. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Ooh, he probably thinks I'm a loser. A party? I've got to be.
Here, choose your design.
Barbie design? Sounds good.
Whoa.
It's too pink.
Oh, next page.
Interesting. Whoa. Wow.
You like it?
Too dark.
Next page.
Are you kidding me? No.
Vampire look?
Now that's what I'm talking about. Nobody told me having long nails is hard. It's like they're mocking me. Maybe I should do makeup first. Oh, come on. I need these off. Now. Fine, I'll do it myself. Perfect. Now I can finally do stuff. I need to be quick. I only have a few hours before the party. Oh, nuts. Not now. I'll just have to hide it with long lashes. That should do the trick. Don't mind me. Just doing some spring cleaning.
Let me get that for you. Excuse me, dear.
Grandma, do you mind? OMG. This is way easier than putting on lashes. Grandma, you're a genius. I'm almost ready for the party. Maybe not. What on earth is happening? It's stuck.
Ooh, candy.
What am I gonna do?
Hey, teach.
What do you have there, young man?
Nothing? Really?
We'll see about that.
Told you there's nothing there. Gotcha.
What's this? Ooh, the answers to the test. It must be my lucky day.
I don't understand any of this. Oh, I should take my cheat sheet back. Now, where is it?
I'm acing this test for sure. All done. The cleaning just never ends. Hey, Mom, I'm home. What a long day. What's that in your hair? A new trend, perhaps? An odd choice for accessory. Is this junk? Let's get these off your hair. How did you even hide these in here? A cap? I'll go with curls for the party.
You think?
I love it.
Oh, glad to hear.
I can't wait for the party and see my handsome crush. I should get ready. A dash of glitter is just what I need. no. I've ruined it. No use crying over spilled makeup. Let's make it into something more exciting. Can you guess what I'm making? It's lip gloss, of course. Now let's mix it all together and try it. See how it sparkles? It's perfect. Ah. Oh no, my lip gloss is gone. I need to reapply. It's empty. Unbelievable. It's almost time. Hey, Grandma, I need to go in a bit.
Sure thing, honey. Enjoy.
Uh-oh, my hair is electric.
Weird. Oh, well. Want some?
No thanks, but I'll have this.
Knock yourself out.
I saw this easy fix online. It better work. Looking good so far. Done. Am I still electric? Cool. Yoo!
Looks like the party is in full swing.
It's him.
Hi there. Dream.
Yeah,